Hello everyone. In this lesson, we'll introduce the incinerator system. The incinerator is used to incinerate the ship's domestic garbage and oil residue, so as to ensure the cleanliness of the marine environment. Before the incinerator is put into operation, it is necessary to ensure that there is enough diesel oil in the power supply and diesel oil daily tank. The page is equipped with an incinerator control panel with the following main function buttons and indicator lights: power main switch, cooling fan start-stop knob, incinerator system operation indicator and flame fault alarm indicator, combustion switching knob, combustion start button and combustion stop button, oil selection knob and test light button. The working principle is that when the waste oil is burned, the waste oil pump sucks the waste oil from the waste oil sedimentation tank and sends it to the combustion chamber for combustion. If solid waste is incinerated with dirty oil, the solid waste should be added to the combustion chamber through the dump chute before starting the dirty oil combustion system. The operation of burning oil residue is that the temperature in the furnace is less than 50 degrees Celsius. The cooling blower is in the off position. The cooling blower switch is closed to on. The fan starts to run. Turn the combustion switch to solid waste. Open the stop valve on the pipeline from the waste oil pump to the incinerator. Open the two outlet quick closing valves in front of the waste oil settling tank and the globe valve. Open the compressed air stop valve. Open the stop valves before and after the diesel oil pump. When the oil tank temperature is higher than 85 degrees Celsius, proceed as follows. Left-click on the combustion start button. After 30 seconds of pre-purge, the incinerator will automatically ignite with diesel oil. After 7 seconds of pre-ignition, the waste oil pump will start running. After 3 seconds, the pre-ignition will stop and switch to residue oil combustion. When the furnace temperature is higher than 880 degrees Celsius, the waste oil solenoid valve is closed and the combustion stops. When the furnace temperature is lower than 860 degrees Celsius, the waste oil solenoid valve opens and restarts the combustion. When the furnace temperature exceeds 850 degrees Celsius, solid waste begins to burn. The basic operation of solid waste incineration is that the preparation work before the incinerator is started is the same as the burning of daily oil. During the period, the dump chute can be opened to throw solid garbage, and then the feeding door can be closed. The burning of solid garbage should be accompanied by diesel oil. Open the pipeline stop valves before and after the diesel oil pump. The diesel oil pump will be automatically started by the program control. Turn the combustion switch knob to waste oil only. The burning process of the oil residue in the incinerator is also the same as the burning of solid waste. The operation of stopping the incinerator is that press the combustion stop button to stop the incinerator. The waste oil pump and diesel oil pump stop running. And the waste oil solenoid valve and diesel oil solenoid valve close. When the temperature of the incinerator drops to 220 degrees Celsius, the cooling process stops. When the incinerator has stopped, and the cooling blower runs for 30 minutes, turn the cooling blower switch to off. The fan stops running. Left-click on the main switch on the control panel, emergency stop, breaker off. Turn off the power. The above is the introduction of the page and operation of the incinerator system.